On my last day in Gokarna, I explored the sights and sound of the quaint town before heading south to the small coastal city of Udupi. Coming up. So what's happening, guys? Good morning. I am at my hostel. It's called Hostel Lovey in Gokarna. Brilliant morning. Check out the sea behind me. I love coming to this spot. So today is going to be a travel day. My train is at 3 o'clock. I check out from here in an hour, say by 10 o'clock. Now I'll just have some morning coffee, maybe a light breakfast or something, because I want to go and explore some local food as well. Post this, I decided to catch a quick and light breakfast at this shack near my hostel for one last time on this trip to Gokarna. Then it was time to check out. The hostel was nice enough to let me keep my main bag there. Having a couple of hours to kill, I decided to meet my friends that I had made the previous day on the beach trek and check out the town of Gokarna. So guys, just reached the town of Gokarna. It's pretty much like a mini Goa. And a lot of temples, like you can see, a lot of pilgrims are just walking past, and yeah, the feel is completely going. Also, look at these small gullies. Still there are rickshaws, cars, even like big Mahindra cars that fit through here. People, cows, pilgrims, everyone just walking around in the same space. This is the Mahabaleshwar Temple, which is very popular here. Most of the pilgrims come here. Basically Gokarna एक temple town है और ये यहाँ का main temple है. The road leading to Gokarna beach has a line of shops selling you everything from clothes, spices and even acupuncture stuff. As we looked for interesting things, one person caught my eye. Meet Abdullah. Abdullah runs a small music shop in Gokarna. He has dedicated the last 6 years of his life to hand making musical instruments. He makes everything from the tabla, the hang drum, the didgeridoo and even the djembe. He claims that he makes it better than any international supplier. He's very enthusiastic about music and will patiently show you each and every instrument he has made. And on request, he even plays it for you. Guys, I've just ended up buying this and this fedora. I just bought this from the guy who was running the musical shop because he let me shoot, and if you take someone's time, whether that be a street artist or anybody, if you get to shoot them, always drop them some money or help them out by buying something on their shops. It's only $100, but it goes a long way for them. Check out these things that you can put on your wall in your room. All of them, but this Om one is the one that glows in the dark. Quite interesting to put in your room. I'll give you one piece of advice. That shop in Gokarna, do not come here with a lot of clothes and all. It's so cheap. I literally just now got boxers, shorts, t-shirts, $100 each. Yeah, the shorts were $200. I had no intention, but abhi mil gayi, so I was like, why not, yaar? So now we're just heading to one restaurant that the locals have suggested for food, and then I need to rush to catch the train as well. Taking up the recommendation of the locals, we ate at Prema, a small veg restaurant right beside Gokarna beach. The restaurant is known for its local delicacies and is very cost effective. Do try their homemade ice cream for dessert. I totally recommend this place to everyone who visits Gokarna. Getting late, it was finally time to say goodbye. With a heavy heart, I left Gokarna for the station. But I had made some amazing memories and some awesome friendships in the bargain. And I do promise to return to this place again. So guys, just reached Gokarna station. It is super hot. The sun is right above me. Just waiting for the train. The station is completely deserted. Matlab, it is a ghost station, literally. I don't know why people don't use the Gokarna station. It's one of the best and fastest way to get from Gokarna to anywhere and to Gokarna from anywhere. So, but guys, my trip to Gokarna has been mind blowing. People told me it's a sleepy temple town, but if you want to find activities around it, there are like million things to do. Like, I cannot recommend this place enough. My first experience in staying in a hostel, और मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ कि I think अब से जब भी मैं अकेला ट्रैवल करूँगा I will only stay in hostels, क्योंकि आपको लोग मिल जाते हैं, you get company to go to places, things to do, suggestions. पता है, अगर आप एक होटल में रहते हो तो it's a very closed atmosphere. Hostel का ना, it's a very open atmosphere. Everyone's just chilling. There's a common room. Everyone's talking about the experiences of the day. You know what the other travelers have done. You can do that the next day. अभी hostel जैसी जगह, it's a very good hostel. I would say that in the hostel category, it's a 5-star hostel. Amazing facilities. Mind-blowing character. The second place where I stayed at C'est La Vie Hostel. It's an upcoming place, guys. Do go there. 400 rupees for the night with AC, a bed. I stayed there one night. The guys there who run it, 2 brothers, I think. Pretty cool people. Amazing experience in Gokarna. Now I'm off to another place, hoping that that too will be amazing like this. Now just waiting for my train. I got the 2:45 Karwar-Bangalore Express. The journey was smooth and scenic, and 3 hours later, I found myself in Udupi. So just got to Udupi now to find my Airbnb as usual, but I've got great instructions. So guys, just got a rickshaw from the train station at Udupi. They got a nice prepaid system here. So basically, Udupi is a small coastal town in the West Coast of Karnataka. Now I'm just heading into Manipal. Manipal is basically where the Manipal University is, and it's also like a very big educational hub in not only Karnataka but in India. And that's where my Airbnb is going to be. What's up, guys? Just got to my Airbnb. Just check it out. It's actually only a room. So this is my bed. A very sweet lamp over here. This is one of the reasons that has taken my heart. Just check out the amount of plugs, and if you are a travel filmmaker, you will know how much that helps. There's a shared bathroom and a very nice space, common area outside. I have just settled in. It is dark outside. I might step out for dinner, but I do not know at this point. And this is the common area that I was talking about. The reason the place is so meticulously done up is because Daniel, the guy who runs it, was a student of architecture. The place also had a back garden, and I decided to check it out. Another reason that this place has my heart is, check this guy out. Hey puppies. Hi. 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 Ooh. Ooh. Okay, now I'm going to play with them. And of course, after this, I did not go out and spend the rest of the evening playing with the puppies. It was here that I witnessed one of the most amazing puppy feeding rituals I had ever seen. Check it out.
Yeah. You won't see that again. Where's Iris? Right? God knows. Sit up. Yeah, this is the fun part. Hey, Peppers. Eat.
Now, wasn't that one of the most amazing things you've seen? I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you guys did, please like, share and consider subscribing to my channel. And stay tuned because the Udupi madness has just begun. Thanks for watching.